Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Video, and today we're just going to see how to insert a currency symbol on your Canva sheets on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe and below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So how to insert the currency symbol inside the Canva sheets on your computer, just going to show in this video. For an example, you just need to press Windows key and a dot symbol, so which can open a dialog box, a Windows shortcut dialog box. Click on the Windows key, press Windows key plus dot symbol. So now you have this dialog box. Now you just need to click on the third option called symbols. Click this. Then here you have this option called dollar symbol. Its second row is called currency symbol. Click this. And here you can find the pound currency symbol and lot of more currency symbols, like just go inside this, and here you can find a rupee symbol, dollar symbol, pound symbol, and much more symbols. So this is the way that you can just insert the currency symbols on your Canva sheets on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made. Be unique. Have a wonderful and most beautiful day.